Congratulations on your new car purchase and welcome to the Patrick family. My name is Jim Gruman. I'm the service manager at Patrick Volvo, and today we have
Bart.
Bart Weck is an advisor at Patrick. He's been working with us for about 10 years and he's here to help you with all your concerns. A couple of the reasons that you want to come back and have your vehicle repaired with us is 1, safety, 2, price, 3, guarantees. And what do we mean by that is we have factory trained technicians that are going to take care of you. They're going to be working on your vehicle and only your vehicle. They know your Volvo inside and out. Another thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting on parts on your vehicle that come with a lifetime warranty. Bart, could you explain?
Unlike other manufacturers, our repairs have a lifetime warranty on parts and labor. Does not include wear items. For more details, please see me in the service department.
We also include free loaner cars for your visits. We have a waiting area that includes coffee and snacks, and we do have free Wi-Fi. We also have a factory trained technician that works on just Volvos. Unlike some of the other shops that work on a multitude of different models and makes, we work on just your car. And that means that we know your Volvo inside and out. Our average technician has worked here for 15 years. Our training is master level. We have the highest CSI in the Chicagoland region. We also hold the prestigious Dealer of Excellence Award. We're the only dealer in Chicago that has won that the last 6 years running. We would love to help you out. If you have any questions, please get a hold of our service team. Thank you.